On Friday, as we all know, Judge McAfee ruled that Fani Willis, the Fulton County District Attorney prosecuting Donald Trump, can stay on the case, provided she gets rid of prosecutor Nathan Wade, with whom she has a romantic relationship. If she doesn't want to get rid of Wade, the judge said, then you yourself can leave and Wade can stay. But no matter what, you both can't still be on the case, not because it is improper, but because it gives the appearance of impropriety. Now, it's very important to point out the fact that the Judge McAfee again, did not find any wrongdoing on Fani Willis's part or Nathan Wade's part. What he did find was that, it's a mistake. You shouldn't have done it, but you did. It's not illegal, but it probably wasn't great, is the overall ruling. And Trump supporters went absolutely apoplectic after the ruling and throughout the entire weekend because they don't understand how things work. Here's just a couple of responses from some of Donald Trump's supporters online. This one is from conservative commentator Benny Johnson, who said, "Not the result we were looking for. We were looking for total and complete disqualification." Tim Pool said, "This judge is a coward." Why? This judge is a coward for following the law? For not giving in to petty partisan attacks? For agreeing that, there's actually nothing in the law that says this is wrong? The judge literally followed the letter of the law, and these dumbasses are like, "You're a coward." Elaborate, please, because that is one of the dumbest responses I think I have ever seen. But it wasn't limited to just right-wing talkers. Even members of Congress who love Donald Trump were angry about it. Ronnie Jackson, who of course served as Donald Trump's White House doctor before moving on to Congress, had this to say. And he was even madder than these other freaks. He said, "Another politically motivated judge. Fani Willis should be disbarred. Her boyfriend prosecutor should be fired, and all charges need to be dropped. Americans are sick of these endless witch hunts. Election interference." Jesus Christ, it's almost like Trump himself wrote that, especially with the randomly capitalized words. Trump supporter Ryan Fournier said, "Appeals should be made. This is tainted on all levels." Now, addressing what those two morons said, both Ronnie Jackson and Ryan Fournier, nothing about the relationship between Willis and Wade changes what the grand jury found in their investigation, okay? So let's get that real clear real quick. Nothing that Willis was alleged to have done with Nathan Wade changed any of the facts in the case. Literally, at all. Their relationship had nothing to do with Donald Trump attempting to overturn the results of the 2020 election in the state of Georgia. They had nothing to do with the RICO charges against him or any of the other more than 12 defendants. Their relationship was the only thing that was being dissected here, not the facts of the case. But these people, who clearly have not ever really worked in any part of law, don't seem to understand that. And the judge made it real clear. So I don't understand how these people do not understand it, other than, of course, they're blinded by their partisanship, because that's where we're at as a country. You can't even look at the rule of law like a normal human being because you are so blinded by your hyper-partisan activity. Fani Willis did not break the law. Fani Willis can stay on the case as long as Nathan Wade leaves, or vice versa. That's what the judge handed down because that's what the law says. And none of that changes any of the facts of the case. So you can freak out and have your little meltdowns all you want about it. It's not going to change a damn thing.